Magandang araw mga suki. Ang topic natin ngayon ay piecewise function. Kaya lang, bago tayo magtuloy, dito muna tayo. So, ano kaya yung symbol na to? So, yan ay less than. So, tama, less than. So, example. So, ang basa nyo dito, x is less than 2. So, kung x yan, ano kaya yung mga values na pwede sa x na ay less than 2? So, yan yung mga numbers na 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, sunod tayo. Ito naman, greater than. So, example ulit. X is greater than 2. So, yung mga values ng x dyan, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Ito naman. Ang symbol na to is less than or equal to. Ayan. Anong ibig sabihin yan? So, example. X is less than or equal to 1. Meaning, ang mga values ng x dyan is less than 1, pero including 1. Kasama siya. So, less than 1. So, 1, dahil nga kasama siya. So, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. Next, greater than or equal to. Ayan yan. So, ito. Anong basa dito? X is greater than or equal to 1. Mga values ng x dyan, including 1, again, tapos greater than, yan yung mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, example tayo. Ay, hindi. Dito muna pala. Ano kayang basa dito? So, tingnan nyo dito. Una, binasa siya from left to right. So, tingnan nyo negative 4 is less than x. Ayun yan. Negative 4 is less than x. And x is less than 4. So, pwede yan. Ngayon, pwede rin ulit to. Magsimula ka sa gitna, sa x, babasahin mo siya pakaliwa. Tapos, after pakaliwa, dito naman, pakanan. So, x, kung babasahin mo ito pakaliwa, dahil buka to, so, x is greater than negative 4. And x, dahil tusok, so, x is less than 4. So, ulit. X is greater than negative 4. And x is less than 4. So, pareho lang yan. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang mga values ng x dyan, so, nasa pagitan ng negative 4 at ng 4. So, ano-ano yung mga numbers na yan? So, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay po. So, dito tayo. So, dito sa piecewise function, yung piecewise function kasi consists of 2 or more functions. Dito tayo. So, x minus 1, tapos 2 minus x squared. Kaya lang, meron tayong condition. X minus 1 if x is greater than 2. Ibig sabihin, yung mga values ng x greater than 2. Ano yung mga yan? 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Dito naman, x is less than or equal to 2. Including 2. So, 2, dahil less than, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. So, example. So, find f of 0. So, f of 0. Ito yun, di ba? So, less than or equal to 2. Ano ba yung mga numbers dyan? 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Nandun yung 0. So, ibig sabihin, pasok siya dito. Ito yung gagamitin mo. 2 minus x squared. After nun, substitute lang. Ito yung 2 minus. So, x squared, yung x, papalitan mo ng 0. So, 0 squared. Sunod, 2 minus, ang 0 squared is 0. So, 2 minus 0 is 2. Another, find f of 3. So, f of 3. 3 yan. Dito siya pasok sa greater than 2. So, x is greater than 2. So, ano na yung mga numbers doon? 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So, gagamitin mo naman, x minus 1. So, x minus 1. Sunod, substitute. So, palitan mo lang yung x ng 3. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, ganun lang kadali yan. Another, f of negative 1. So, negative 1, andito yata yan. X is less than or equal to 2. Kasi 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Andun yung negative 1. So, gamitin mo ito. 2 minus x squared. And then, substitute. So, 2 minus yung x squared. So, huwag kalimutan yung parenthesis para hindi malito. Lagay yung negative 1, then squared. 2 minus. Yung negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1 or 1. So, ito yung 2, ito yung minus. Sasalpak mo lang dito yung 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Another. So, x, ito pala. 4 minus 3x if x is less than or equal to negative 1. Less than or equal to negative 1. Meaning, including negative 1. So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Dito naman, 5 if x is greater than negative 1 and x is less than 1. So, kung titingnan nyo, nakapagitan ng negative 1 at ng 1. Ang number doon is 0. Dito naman, x is greater than or equal to 1. So, 1, kasama, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, example tayo. Find f of negative 3. So, saan kaya to? Ito. X is less than or equal to negative 1. Kasi negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, andun siya. Kaya, copy. 4 minus 3x. Tapos, substitute lang. So, 4 minus 3, yung x, pinalitan ng negative 3. 4, negative 3 times negative 3, so we have positive 9. So, 4 plus 9, we have 13. Ganun lang. Sunod, find f of 0. So, nandito yung 0 natin kanina, diba? So, 5 lang yan. So, ganun lang. Lagyan nyo lang 5. Wala ka nang dapat i-substitute dyan kasi wala namang x. Ganun kasimple. Find f of 2. F of 2. So, 2. Ito. X is greater than or equal to 1. So, meaning 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, gamitin mo to. X squared minus 3. Tapos, substitute lang. So, x squared, naging 2 squared. Tapos, minus 3. As 2 squared is equal to 4. Minus 3, copy lang. 4 minus 3 is 1. Sunod, dito tayo. 1 minus 2x. X is less than or equal to negative 3. So, negative 3, including negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on. So, dito, x is greater than negative 3, and x is less than 3. So, nakapagitan sa negative 3 at 3. So, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So, dito naman, x is greater than or equal to 3. So, including 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So, find f of 3. So, ito yun. Or equal to x squared minus 1. So, x squared minus 1. So, palit lang. 3 squared minus 1. So, 9 minus 1. So, 9 minus 1 equals 8. Simple. So, find f of 2. So, nandito yun. Nakapagitna. So, square root of 9 minus x squared. So, palit lang din. 9 copy. Tapos, x. Naging 2. 2 squared. So, 9 minus 2 squared. 9 minus 4. So, 9 minus 4 is 5. So, square root of 5. And last, find f of 0. So, f of 0, so ito, nandito lang yan eh. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Yun yung mga numbers dito. So, copy lang. Square root of 9 minus x squared. Tapos, f of 0, ayan, copy yung 9 minus, so, 0 squared. Tapos, 9 minus 0. And then, 9 minus 0 is 9. So, natira is square root of 9. Ano ba ang square root of 9? Ayun lang. Positive and negative 3. Okay po.